Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. We have a very nice little mortise rim cylinder, and it's a Welch. I got this off pickme1977. Gave it a little polish. Let's get see if you can see the shine on that with a bit of brasso. Yeah, Pick Me sent me a nice parcel the other day. Some really nice locks in there from different people, and obviously his own locks. Absolute fantastic guy. Please check out his channel. It's pickme1977. Awesome guy. But before we get on with this, if you're into lock picking and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. And if you're interested in what you see on my channel and the picking that I do, please hit that subscribe button, which is down there, and hit that bell icon, as I make 2 to 3 videos per week from all different things lock related. But yeah, let's get on with the picking, hopefully. I'll just undo this in a minute. That's the one. Let me show you. I can't show you the key at the moment, but it is mummified. I will show you once we've done. And as you can see, pinned by pickme1977. And it's called Simple Yet Satisfying. I like the sound of that one. Let's have a look. I'm going to use a small hook and homemade tension wrench, which was a Allen key / X key, just ground down, and a Tripmaster pick. Use the top of the keyway. Oh, we've got a click off. Could be, don't know if this is a 6 or a 5 pin, so let's call that 5 for the moment. Oh, little turn of the core. That was 2. Another turn of the core off F1. A nice click. Oh, and there we go. Well, that was simple yet satisfying. Right, let's have a look. We can. Oh, the number on the back of this. Right, we can lock that up. Let's just have a quick look at the key. Oh, there we go. We're off. Oh, it works very smooth. It's actually quite nice bitting as well, because that high one is protecting these two. But, I enjoyed that. That was a nice pick. Let's just get the pinning tray out, and the usual. Get a camera, tilt it down so we can see. Oh, no, wrong one. Can't use that one. We need a flat screwdriver. Let's have a look what we got. Nope. Too thin. Do you know what? I'll just get them all and then say less faffing. There we go. Need that one. There we go. There we go. Let's get this undone. Take the back plate off and tweezers. There we go. You know, sometimes, you know, I should just get everything out ready and I don't. Oh, wait a minute, actually, I think I'll use this follower, because no, we're not fitting in there anyway. Oh, that one, no. I'll just use this one. So, spring bottom. Let's see. Oh, just give me a second. Sorry about that. I had to just pause it for a second. It was on a bit of a got it apart though, and I've got it the right way. Yeah, the pins got caught when I pulled it out. It just slipped in there. Got it though. I need to modify. I think maybe this follower so they can start fitting in these. Right, well, there we go. Let's have a look. So was a 5-pin. So we've got one spare there. Where's my pick? Yep, they all needed picking. Right, let's have a look. We've got nice serrated with a tiny little spool ending on the first key pin, second key pin. Some very nice wide serrations, sharp ones. Number 3. Got, I don't know if you call it like a wide serration or maybe part of a spool. Yeah. That one's got a like a spool end as well, and this one it's like a long T-pin end. Get the words out. 2 and 3 are threaded, and the rest are standard. And let's get the tweezers out and let's see what's going on in here. Well, he jumped. Where did he jump to? That was a... Oh, there it is. Tough little spring. That is a T-pin. And we got very nice serrated type spool. See if I can get the springs out. You know, there we go. There's the first one, and I need to use my pick just to pop out the spring. I don't want to damage him. There we go. We've got a steel spring and a copper spring. Right, let's see what else we've got in here. We've got a, ooh, like that, it's quite wide serrated, definitely. Next spring is a copper one. And we got another, there's a T-pin with a slight serration on it. Oh, like a spool. We have a steel spring on that one, and last but least, we have another T-pin, and last spring is a copper spring. Right, let's have a look. Definitely nothing going on in the chambers. 85865V, I think. Some number on the back of it. Oh, there we go. Let's have a look at these pins. So, as you see, we've got a very nice serrated key pin, a little lip on the top. We've got a wide serrated key pin. This has a serrate, but well, it's not really a spool yet. It's definitely just a serrate. This one's more like a spool. It's a steel one, and we've got a T-pin key pin. We got, I think it's a T-pin, a little serration on the end. We've got a spool with some wide serrations. We've got some very nice serrations on that. On number 4 is the same as 1. It's like a T-pin with a little spoolie end, and another T-pin, serrated T-pin on there. And like I said, we've got copper, steel, copper, steel, copper, and they are a couple of them are different sizes. Well, that was a very enjoyable lock. Like I say, it did say simple but satisfying, and to be honest, it was. It was a very nice pick, that. I enjoyed that, and I do like that lock. Like a dainty mortise lock. But yeah. Well, thank you, Pick Me, for sending me that, mate. Absolutely fantastic. I'll leave his name in the bottom, as usual. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.